नमस्कार। First of all, I will chant some mantras. Both arms in chin mudra. Everyone please sitting in the meditative pose. Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana, Padmasana. Both arms in chin mudra. Sit straight. Close your eyes. Peace in your mind. Peace in your body. Feel the divine effect of different mantras. Today our topic is remaining part of energy blockage group of asanas. शक्तिबंध आसनास के शेष अभ्यास. Today we will do Nauka Sanchalana, rowing the boat, while Niskasanasana, releasing the wind, and Kashtakshanasana, chopping the wood. In the previous session, we have already done Rajju Karshanasana, pulling the rope, Gatyatmak Nirvakrasana, dynamic spinal twist, and Chakti Chalasana, churning the mill. In this way, there are 6 practices in energy blockage group of asanas. Today we will do Nauka Sanchalana, rowing the boat first. This practice is very effective for our pelvic joint. This practice gives flexibility in our pelvic joint, removes all the disorders related to the excretory system and reproductive system. This practice also makes our digestive system strong. This practice also makes our legs and hands strong. This practice also activates our Swadhisthana chakra and makes us energetic. This practice also removes all the blockages of our body. It removes the blockages of our blood. It removes the blockages of our blood capillaries, nerves, and improves the functions of our heart and nervous system. In this way, there are many benefits of this practice. See the practice. We have to stretch both legs like this, feet together. Make the fist, thumb should be inside. We have to go back with inhalation and come forward with exhalation with force. And we have to also rotate our hands. This practice is like rowing the boat. See the practice. With inhalation, go back, and with exhalation, come forward like this. Like this. Then reverse. With inhalation, go back. With exhalation, come forward. Like this. Then lie down on your back and relax. I have done 5 rounds, but gradually we should increase the rounds. Firstly, we should do 5 rounds. Next week, we can increase 5 more rounds. Then next week again increase 5 more rounds. In this way, we can increase up to 40-50 rounds. Relax. Close your eyes, normalize your breath. Do 5 times deep breathing. Inhale deeply, exhale slowly. Normalize your breath. Now be ready for the next practice. Turn left and come in sitting position. Next practice is Vayu Niskasana Asana. releasing the weight. This practice is very beneficial for the problem of gastric and acidity. This practice is also very effective for our knee joint. But those who have knee pain, please don't do this practice. This practice also brings flexibility in our pelvic joint and also brings flexibility in our elbows. This practice is also very good for our digestive system. See the practice. First of all, we stand up, feet little apart according to the shoulder level. Now, place the palm under the sole like this and press the palm with sole, knees straight. With exhalation, we have to sit down, and with exhalation, we have to come in this pose. See the practice. With exhalation, with inhalation. 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 We do this practice without hold, but we should do slowly, comfortably. Then sit in any comfortable pose and relax. Close your eyes, normalize your breath. Now be ready for the next practice. Next practice is Kash-Dakshanasana, chopping the wood. This practice is very beneficial for our respiratory system, for our lungs capacity. This practice is very effective to improve our lungs capacity. This practice is very effective for the problem of depression. This practice has great effect on our brain, on our nervous system, removes all the mental problems, improves our mental capabilities, improves our confidence level, brings strength in our legs and hands, brings flexibility in our shoulder joint. This practice also removes the problem of frozen shoulder, and this practice also releases all the blockages of our blood capillaries and nerves. In this way, there are many benefits of this practice. See the practice. First of all, we see this pose, squatting pose. Lock the fingers. We have to raise the hands, and with exhalation we have to bring down the hands with force and create a specific sound. That sound will be produced automatically without effort. It is the posture like chopping the wood. See the practice. With inhalation, raise the hands. With exhalation, bring down with force like we are cutting the wood with axe. Like this. After doing these practices, we must do any backward bending asana. Today we will do Ustrasana, camel pose. Sometimes these practices, forward bending asanas, may create back pain. So we should do its counter pose so that no any back pain can be created. First of all, sit. Sit in Vajrasana. Then stand on the knees. Knees little apart, palms on the waist. With inhalation, go back and hold the heels. Come back with exhalation. One time more. With inhalation, go back. Hold the heels. Raise the waist. Weight should be normal. With exhalation, come back. Now lie down on the back and relax. Feet apart, palm facing upward. Close your eyes, normalize your breath. Concentrate yourself on the breath. You are inhaling, you are exhaling. With inhalation, your abdomen should be raised. With exhalation, your abdomen should be contracted. With inhalation, your abdomen is going upward. With exhalation, your abdomen is going downward. See this activity. Chant one time Om mentally. Slowly shake the fingers of your legs and hands. Slowly turn left and come in sitting position. Keep close your eyes. Both arms in Chin Mudra. Chant one time Om with me. Shanti Path. Feel the divine effect of Shanti Path. Pray to God. May all become happy. May all become healthy. May receive what is auspicious. May no one suffer in any way. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kasyit Dukha Om Dav Shanti Antariksham Shanti Prithvi Shanti Rapah Shanti Aushadhayah Shanti Vanaspatayah Shanti Vishve Deva Shanti Brahma Shanti Sarvagangi Shanti Shanti Reva Shanti Shama Shanti Revi Om Shanti 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 Shamaristu Shanti Vadu. Arms. Lying with this whole body. Feel the divine effect of it with loving practices. Opening your eyes. Thank you.